Have you ever cleaned out your fridge and to your surprise found a full, unopened, untouched container of spinach that you had bought weeks ago when you were full of promise and hope that you'd start eating more greens? Much like that forgotten container of spinach in the back of your fridge, many of you small business owners out there are currently collecting email addresses from your customers and clients with every intention to start sending consistent communication to them and to increase your sales revenue, but it just gets pushed to the back and easily forgotten. In fact, 1 in 3 small business owners are still not taking advantage of email marketing. If this is you, if you are collecting email addresses from your customers and clients, but you are not sending emails out, then keep watching, because in this video, I'm going to cover the 3 most common things that are preventing small business owners like you from sending emails, and I'll cover how to easily resolve them. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton with The Seasoned Marketer, where we are seasoned marketing enthusiasts, educators, and small business advocates dedicated to helping you grow your small business. Contrary to popular belief, email marketing is not dead. In fact, according to email technology experts OptinMonster, 60% of customers subscribe to businesses' email lists to stay updated on promotional messages. 44% of consumers look through their inbox to find a deal or discount, and 60% of consumers claim to make a purchase because of a promotional email. The key takeaway: email marketing equals sales. But if emails equal sales, then why is it that 1 in 3 business owners are not sending out emails? In my experience as a marketer, there are 3 common things that prevent small business owners from sending emails out. Number 1, the email platform itself. There is no shortage of email platforms out there for a small business owner to choose from. MailChimp, Flowdesk, Klaviyo, Constant Contact, Sendinblue, Campaigner, and the list goes on and on. Each one of these email platforms also comes with their own bells and whistles. You want to be sure that you not only choose an email platform that is user-friendly, but that also matches the needs of your business. If you have a small subscriber base or a small email list, then you may not need all the bells and whistles, and purchasing a platform that is expensive, that has all the bells and whistles, is only going to deter you and make it harder for you to stay consistent and to send emails out. Instead, prioritize content and consistency. It is much better to be consistent with sending emails out over time than it is to have a nice fancy looking email. Also, focusing on your content and making sure that it is the right type of information that your customers and clients are looking for is much more important than getting a fancy email platform. If you're wondering what we use at The Seasoned Marketer, we highly recommend Flowdesk. We've been using Flowdesk now for a couple of years. It is very easy to use. It has wonderful templates already uploaded that you can customize. And on top of that, it is very easy to set up welcome sequences, which we absolutely love, so that you can segment your audience depending on how they arrive to your email list and send them information that is pertinent to what they are wanting to see. They also have great support, and if it's something that you think you may be interested in checking out, then click on the link below for a discount code. Number 2, a lack of schedule. Just like with any other administrative function in your business, let's say closing out your till at the end of the night or running payroll every 2 weeks, you need to schedule your email marketing. First and foremost, you need to figure out how often you want to send emails out. At minimum, you probably want to send an email out once every 4 to 6 weeks, but depending on your industry, you may want to send those out more frequently. For example, if you run a restaurant, it may make sense for you to send out a weekly email. Every week on a Sunday, you can send your weekly specials for that upcoming week. Also, if you are a clothing boutique owner, it may make sense for you to send an email out once every 2 weeks or whenever you get new inventory in. Number 3, not using templates. Creating templates for your emails is not only smart because your customers and clients will know what to expect and it develops brand consistency, but it also saves you time and allows you to create your emails a lot quicker. I personally recommend that you come up with 3 to 5 different templates that you could switch out depending on what types of announcements or information that you're sharing. Going back to the previous example, if you happen to own a restaurant, you can have one template for your weekly specials and perhaps another template for any special type of brunches or events that you're putting on at the restaurant. This will start to allow your customers and clients to expect these email communications whenever you have an upcoming event or when they want to go through and look at what your weekly specials are for the upcoming week. Don't overcomplicate the design of any email. You certainly don't have to hire a graphic designer to do this for you. A lot of the email platforms now have drag and drop features that make it really easy for you yourself or someone on your staff to create these emails really quickly. Just remember that you want to stick to the 60-40 rule with emails. 60% of the email should be text and verbiage, and 40% of it should be images. If you are currently collecting email addresses from your customers and clients, great job. But if you are not sending them emails right now, then you are missing out on a really great opportunity to increase your sales. So I highly recommend that you address these 3 things that are more than likely preventing you as a small business owner from sending out emails. If you still can't find the time to write and send emails out to your customers and clients, but you don't want to miss out on this opportunity to increase your sales, visit us at theseasonedmarketer.com. We would be more than happy to help you with your email marketing. If you like this video, don't forget that every Monday we release a video just like this that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys next week, same time and place.